Hello people, and welcome back to Sleeper Barbecue. Today we're going to cook on the Weber. A little bit of pecan wood. You know what? I think I'm going to go with hickory wood this time. And we're going to cook a tri tip. First thing we got to do is get it a dry brine going on it and get it back in the refrigerator. And you know, let it sit in there for a little bit. We'll bring it right back. Sugar took it out of its pack. I've done a little better job of trimming it, but I want to salt it right here in its pack. See if we can't get rid of a little bit of that hard fat in here. We'll leave just a little bit of that fat cap on there. Alright y'all, I've trimmed up about as much as I care to trim it up. We're going to put some kosher salt on this thing. Let it dry brine in this container. There you have it. You see what we're going to do? We got it salted down. We're going to flip it over and get this back in the refrigerator. You don't need to see if you do both sides. Just a kosher salt. So here's our tri tip. Let me turn that around. Uncle Chris Gourmet. I'll put this in here just to get a little flavor on it. And we'll do the other side after I flip it over. I'm also going to come in there with a little bit of Uncle Steve's SPG. Oh gosh. We'll bring it back. Alright, let's give it a check. 110 in the front. It's inside 106 in the back. We'll bring it back. I think I'm going to give it a flip and season the other side up. Little Fiesta Uncle Chris. And we're going to top coat it with Uncle Steve's SPG. Alright y'all. I think we gotta be close to searing time, at least I hope so. We got a pretty nice temp working right now. About 400 degrees. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah. So let's get that sear going. Hope y'all can hear that, because it did sizzle. 60. 1057, 1058, 1059. Alright, I waited about as long as I care to wait. Grain's running like this for the most part. I'm going to just start slicing. As you can see, She is super juicy. Good to me. Okay, get me a slice towards the middle. Just do a little taste test for you. There you go. Hopefully you are seeing that. You know, I'm gonna put that whole thing in my mouth. I'm telling you what, that is excellent. Nice cook, Sleepy Barbecue. You got this. All right, there you go. Tri Tip cook number 2 for me. Wife and I enjoyed that immensely. That was dang near cooked to perfection, if you ask me. Very good. Obviously, as you got in closer towards the center, it was more rare. So everybody sitting at the table would have been happy. Whether you like it rare or whether you like it medium, they all would have got their bellies full. Good stuff. I'm Lance, Sleepy Barbecue. We'll see you next time.